In the world where every second counts, the medical technologies cannot be overlooked.
From diagnosis to treatment, medical technologies play a pivotal role in the healthcare system.
With precision and expertise, medical technologies contribute to the accurate of diagnosis and treatment of diseases.
Let us recognize and appreciate the vital role they play in patient care and public health initiatives.
Hi, my name is Hanisa Sarit Sadik. I am a registered medical technologist and I am one of the medical technologists of ACE Laboratory. I am also the Assistant Chief Medical Technologist as well as the Microbiologist, Medical Technologist of this laboratory.
As a medtech po, what are the protocols and guidelines do you follow po when handling lab samples?
So for laboratory samples, of course, as we all know, pinaka-first yung important is patient identification. So, we must always make sure na properly labeled ang atong samples. So, of course, we check if like complete name and complete name in a sense that there should be the first name and also the last name. And sometimes there should also be a middle name because as we all know, there are a lot of people who have the same names and sometimes what differs is their birth dates. And also, we also ask them to put the time collection. And of course, for blood samples, we also ask for the phlebotomist to put their initials so that in order for the medical technologist processing the samples to know kung kinsa ba gid ang nag-extract, for if ever nasa questions regarding the patient, they will know kung kinsa ilang i-ask. So those are the kanang basic pa lang na siya for the laboratory samples.
Did you make an example where you made a critical decision that impacted the test reliability?
So far in my experience, such decisions like, for example, sa microbiology. So as we all know, sa microbiology na section, not all medical technologists makaroon of samples like yes, they do primary plating, primary inoculation, pero for the other stuff like identification and sensitivity, lagi mga medtechs na silang trained to do the testing, and for that is sometimes doctors ask about the results, and as a medtech pod, we have to know, me in general, I have to know kung unsa gyud ang result, and then I have to correlate po dito sa plates, and one of the kuan po is kanang need gid po natin general knowledge yun, like for example sa mga colony, and then diyan man dahil masunod dahil mag-ask ang doctors regarding sa mga antibiotics, and na instance nga like pag walang siya na-happen nga for as we all know sa mga microorganisms, not all mga is pathogenic. So we also have to decide po sa laboratory if i-release ba na to ang sensitivity results. Kaya we also have to be responsible po about that because as we all know, we are fighting multi-drug resistant organisms nowadays. So as we all know, napi mga tao nga dili gid malikayan nga mag-tumor lang gyud og antibiotics nga walay mga prescription, and that's what we avoid nga nung dili protocol gid na mga dili mo release.
So, good afternoon. I am Margo Ivan, Chief Medical Technologist / Administrative Senior Supervising Laboratory Staff.
For beginners po, as a medtech and the laboratory, what are the usual things that you do that is related to your profession?
As a medtech, usually I always ensure that we produce reliable results for our patients, and then to see if all things are set sa laboratory.
So for our second po is there a particularly challenging case or situation that you've encountered? If so po, how did you handle that po to ensure that the reliability is still there?
The challenging thing that I usually encounter is always the questions we encounter from from the physicians. In things like that, for example, they question our results. So we always say that we are always running quality controls in all our laboratory tests so that you can rely on our results. We ensure that you see our pasok ng TC identities.
So in connection to that question po, in what specific ways do you collaborate with other healthcare professionals to provide the best possible patient care there is?
So we always make sure na gina-correlate ng mga results, especially when we questions also our results. So we get back to the nurses, especially if inpatients, we get back to the nurses and ask what is the condition of the patient so that we can correlate our results. If it's tama ba or do we have our problem in pre-analytical and or on the analytical phase. So we always ask them. Or sometimes the watchers instead. So we ask them so that we can produce reliable results.
In connection to that, in connection to your answer po, how can you say or what depth is the importance in communicating effectively to other professionals?
In that case, communication and cooperation is very important since it doesn't go one way. It will always go. It always takes two to tango. So we always need the cooperation and communication and communicate with them in effective manner so that we can produce or we can satisfy our customers.
Hello po, I'm Adelshan V. Pagonsada. I'm a registered medical technologist and currently working here in ACE Medical Center.
So, this is a brief question lang po. So, why is it important to maintain a clean and organized workspace in the laboratory setting po?
So, in a laboratory setting, it helps the laboratory staff to have a more efficient and effective process during laboratory testing, and also being organized do help our laboratory.
So then, how do you prioritize and manage your responsibilities in the lab, including clearing tasks? Unsa po mga method or strategies para ma-minimize ang risk of contamination inside the lab po?
Here in the laboratory, we do have our policies and procedures, technical and also our technical maintenance and also our preventative maintenance. It helps ensure good laboratory results, and also regarding disposal, we do have our correct segregation areas for disposing of garbage.
So finally po, as a successful and professional medtech, in what ways do you educate and train your colleagues on proper cleaning protocols and best practices inside the laboratory po?
In every laboratory, we have our own standard protocols and policies. So we always ensure that we always abide by those to help have a more accurate and precise laboratory results.
That's all po. Thank you po. Thank you for those information.
Medical technologists are the unsung heroes of the healthcare system, driving innovation and advancements in the field of medical technology.
Together, let us celebrate the success and dedication of medical technologists around the world.